Hi there, and welcome to a new storytelling technique for you to use. Making up a story in the moment with only 2 words as a lead. This is what today's storytelling tutorial is all about. Let me give you an example. Once upon a rainy Sunday, my friends and I decided to explore a nearby cave. Fortunately, we thought we would be out of the rain. Unfortunately, as we were deep into the cave, all our headlamps malfunctioned and we were trapped in pitch black darkness. Fortunately, Edwin had matches. Unfortunately, he burned his finger, dropped the matchbox, and couldn't find it again. Fortunately, nobody panicked, except for Edwin, of course. Unfortunately, we were still lost. Fortunately, nobody panicked again. Unfortunately, we took the wrong turn trying to head back to the cave entrance. Fortunately, everyone kept a cool head. Unfortunately, we didn't take any food and everyone became very hungry. Fortunately, only Edwin panicked and then calmed down. Unfortunately, more and more water was beginning to trickle down the cave walls. Fortunately, we found a small stream. Unfortunately, we couldn't drink it. Fortunately, we had some spare batteries. But unfortunately, they were the wrong size. Fortunately, we discovered a hidden chamber. Unfortunately, it was full of bats. Fortunately, we managed to climb out of the cave. Unfortunately, we were covered in mud and bat droppings. Fortunately, we had a hilarious story to tell. Unfortunately, nobody believed us. The 2 contrasting words are fortunately and unfortunately. Use them alternatively to develop a storyline. Doing this in a group or with just someone else makes it a very entertaining game because you never know what the others may come up with. You can go on as long as you like to come to an ending, but you can also stop at some point and continue another day, making it a never-ending story. You don't need any materials and can do it virtually anywhere. Try it out and have fun. See you soon in my next storytelling DIY video.